I'm combining a few questions here, so there's going to be 3 different parts. Your FAQs seem to indicate that the stencil can be used for a 10 by 10 ceiling, but can it be used for larger ceilings? And then the other one, your stencil does not come in different sizes. How will it fit in different rooms? For instance, a 13 by 13. It doesn't seem that your kit covers that dimension. This one had a 16 by 12. All right, so here's the deal. A lot of people that are asking this question are familiar with another set of stencils that are like a 10 by 10 or a 12 by 12, and you put long sheets up, and that's what you get to paint. If your ceiling's a little larger, I don't know what you do. The way, and that's one of the things when I sat down to design this, I didn't want to have that problem. I wanted this to work on any kind of ceiling that you had, any size. So let me show you real quick. Here's one of the constellation sheets. This is it, you know, this is the constellation sheet. You put that up for the constellation. And then for the smaller background stars, it's the same size sheet. But what you do, and I go through it in the instructions, you have 2 of the sheets with the background stars. And there's 200 holes, or over 200 holes in each sheet. They're in different patterns. You're going to put both of those up, and then when you're done painting those, you leapfrog them over the other ones. So you go around the room, so you can actually fit the, you can use the stencils on any size room. If you have too much stencil at the end of this row, don't paint down the wall unless you want to. If you're short, we actually add a little small piece that you can fill in small places, or you can just move the stencil a little bit. So our kit will work in a 8 by 8 room or a 100 foot by 100 foot room. It doesn't matter. It's just it's designed to work on anything.